This video is going to be extremely beneficial for those who are just beginner at English. They want to speak English, but they don't know that from which sentences they should start. So here in this video, I will give you 50 basic sentences. Those are the sentences that we use in our daily use conversations. So make sure that first, before we start this video, you have to promise me one thing, that you will repeat those sentences after me. Okay, if you really want to speak English, then you have to start speaking today, right now. Okay, देखो अभी नहीं बोलोगे तो कभी नहीं बोल पाओगे. So this is really a golden chance for you, and those sentences are really basic. So let's start. So here what I did, I asked to ChatGPT that I am a beginner in learning English and now I want to start speaking English. So provide me 50 daily use sentences. So see, this is a prompt and here ChatGPT provided me these sentences. So I am going to explain all these sentences to you, that from where you have to use these sentences. And after this you can also ask to ChatGPT that provide me hundreds and 500 sentences, and ChatGPT will surely provide you. So let's start our today's video. First, we will start from greeting and introduction, like how you have to greet someone and how you have to introduce yourself. So first, hello, how are you? Whenever we meet someone, then what we say? Hello, how are you? How are you? Then we greet like good morning, good evening, whatever the time is. Okay, then we ask name. What's your name? What's your name? Then we ask like this. Then if that person will give you answer that my name is Mamta, my name is Piyush, my name is Priya, my name is Neha, whatever. Okay, you have to give your name. Now whenever we meet someone, then we say nice to meet you, nice to meet you. Then we say how are you doing? आप कैसे हो? How are you doing? How are you doing? Repeat after me. Okay, don't forget. Do not just watch this video. Repeat after me these sentences. Okay, make sure you are repeating. Then I am fine, thank you. Whenever if someone is asking you that how are you doing, how are you, then you can say I am fine, thank you, I am fine, thank you, see you later. आपसे बाद में मिलेंगे, see you later. Then take care. Take care, अपना ध्यान रखना, take care. Now we will see everyday conversations. So what are you doing? आप क्या कर रहे हैं? What are you doing? I am going to the market. I am going to the market. मैं market जा रहा हूँ. I am going to school. I am going to the park. Okay? This is how you can make sentences as well. Then, how was your day? आपका दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? Can you help me please? Can you help me please? I don't understand. मुझे समझ नहीं आता. I don't understand. Could you repeat that please? Could you repeat that please? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You are welcome. You are welcome. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's okay. It's okay. So see, these are the sentences very basic. Okay, you must know these sentences. Please, I hope you are repeating these sentences after me. Now, asking and answering question, how you can ask a question and how you can answer question. So where are you from? Where are you from? And if someone is asking you that where are you from, then you can answer I am from India, I am from Jaipur, I am from Rajasthan, I am from UP, I am from Madhya Pradesh. Okay, this is how you have to answer if someone is asking that where are you from. Then what time is it? क्या टाइम हो रहा है? कितना समय हो रहा है? If someone is asking you, then it's 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. It's 10:30. It's 11:30. Okay? Then, how much does this cost? यह कितने रुपए का है? यह कितने रुपए का है? Then you have to answer how much does this cost? How much does this cost? Repeat after me. How much does this cost? After this, it's very expensive. यह बहुत महंगा है. It's very expensive. And if you have to say that यह बहुत सस्ता है, then you can say it's very cheap. It's very cheap. Then, do you like tea or coffee? आपको चाय पसंद है या कॉफ़ी पसंद है? Do you like tea or coffee? Then you can answer I like coffee. I like tea. I like sweets. I like chocolates. Okay? Then, where's the bathroom? It's over there. Where's the bathroom? Bathroom kahan hai? It's over there. Ye wahan hai. Then talking about yourself. Now it comes to when you talk about yourself, then how you have to talk. Let's see. I'm learning English. मैं English सीख रहा हूँ. I'm learning cooking. I'm learning yoga. Okay. Then I have a pet dog. मेरे पास एक पालतू कुत्ता है. Okay. I have a pet cat. I like reading books. I like watching movies. I like listening podcasts. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy cooking. I enjoy dancing. I enjoy singing. Okay, this is how you can make sentences. So next, I don't like spicy food. I don't like spicy food. मुझे तीखा खाना पसंद नहीं है. I don't like spicy food. I don't like sweet. I don't like sweets. Okay. I wake up early in the morning. मैं सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up late in the morning. I wake up late in the morning. I'm feeling happy today. I'm feeling happy today. I'm feeling angry today. I'm feeling sad today. Okay. Then I go to the gym daily. I go to the park daily. I go to the school daily. Okay. I want to improve my English. I want to improve my English. I want to give speech. I want to go abroad. This is how. Okay. Next, I love watching movies. I love watching podcasts. I love watching dance. Now, giving information. Now, how you can give information. This is my bag. This is my bag. This is my book. This is my note. This is my phone. Okay? This is my phone. Whatever the things are around you, speak. This is my, this is my, this is my. Okay? Describe those things. Next. It is very hot today. No, no, no. It's very cold today. It's very hot today. इसका मतलब कि आज बहुत गर्मी है. It's very cold today. आज बहुत सर्दी है. I have two brothers. I have two brothers. I have two sisters. I have one sister. I have one brother-in-law. I have one sister-in-law. This is how you can make sentences. Next, my favorite color is blue. My favorite color is black. My favorite color is red. My favorite color is yellow. Repeat, repeat, speak, speak. Okay, make sure you are speaking. Then I work in an office. मैं office में काम करता हूँ. I work in a school. Then today is a holiday. Today is a holiday. You can say it's a holiday today. It's a holiday today. Then this is a beautiful place. This is a beautiful video. This is amazing video. This food is delicious. This food is delicious. This food is sweet. This food is spicy. It's raining outside. बाहर बारिश हो रही है. It's raining outside. I'm very tired. I'm very tired. I hope you were repeating after me and you learned something and you spoke with me. I hope. So these are the 50 sentences, my dear. These are very basic and extremely helpful who are very beginner in this language. There are countless videos on YouTube about daily use sentences. You can watch those videos as well to learn basic sentences, and you can ask to ChatGPT as well, and ChatGPT can provide you countless sentences. Now people, those who are really clueless that from where they should start speaking English, so these basic sentences are really good. You can start from speaking these sentences. I hope you learned something through this video. I will see you next video. Thank you for watching.